there's also another common problem is like when you cut, you think it cannot cut deeply enough, and then it's like so. For example, normally the blade dips we put it like 6, 7, and after sometimes we add it higher. For example, so for this one we put at 4, and after maybe 100 or 200 cuttings we put it to 5. But in case you put it quite high, let's say you put it at number 9 or number 8, so what happens is like when the blade pressure, so it's give the actual pressure, and that pressure make the film deformation. So the film will do something like this, and then we'll cut. You can only cut here, but it's like here you cannot cut because it, so the whole film is already deformation. When you give high pressure, you can see something like this. It's not that big. I just make it bigger for us to understanding that. So that is like for the machine. So the best is don't put it too high. It's like when you cut it, so on the back, so should not be cut completely. So it's better. The best idea is like so here it's like you can see it's cut but not completely cut it.